Welcome back to the AppCon Technical Overview video series. In this video, we'll look at how AppCon's Titan multi-switch management software allows you to create trunk links, which are high bandwidth connections that pass large amounts of data between switches. The difference between a trunk link and a standard link is that multiple distinct port-to-port connections may be routed over a trunk link simultaneously. Titan supports two types of trunks, simple and shared. Simple trunks allow one point-to-point connection, while a shared trunk can accommodate multiple point-to-point connections. Both trunk types utilize 802.1q with VLAN tagging that is assigned and created automatically within Titan when the trunk is provisioned. With a shared link, you can specify the carrying capacity of the trunk and of each connection passing over the trunk. This helps you accurately plan your trunk usage. To create a trunk link, start by opening the Command Center in Titan and selecting the Global Settings option. You see the Global Settings icons across the top of the screen. Select the Trunking option from the top navigation menu and you see the trunking screen. Expand the switch and blade menus until you see the ports you wish to connect as a trunk. Then select the ports. They are highlighted when selected. When you create the trunk, a dialog appears that shows the port names, the available bandwidth, and two options. Click the Shared Trunk box to allow multiple simultaneous connections over this link. Because the connections traversing the trunk will rarely be at full capacity, it is possible to safely oversubscribe the trunk. So we'll enter 40G of maximum capacity even though the link is 10G. To avoid dropped packets, each connection should be well filtered so that the actual carrying capacity of 10G is not exceeded. Titan also allows you to set alarms on any connection if its data volume exceeds an arbitrary threshold, so you can be warned if your trunk is reaching capacity. When the trunk is specified, click the Apply button to create the trunk link. Once created, you see the trunk link appear in the center section of Titan's Ports screen. Make sure the trunk section is set to Automatic Assignment. This allows Titan to determine the optimal trunk path for port-to-port connections you create. To create a connection, follow the standard procedure of selecting a source port, which turns blue when selected, and select a simplex connection. Then select the destination port, which turns orange when selected. Click the Confirm button, and Titan shows you a diagram of the connection between the two switches. Trunking happens transparently because it is automatically assigned. Click the Apply button on the diagram window, and the connection is created. Click the OK button on the pop-up dialog to acknowledge the connection. Trunking through AppCon's Titan software saves time and increases accuracy up to 10-fold when compared to creating trunks manually. Further, Titan trunking increases flexibility and scalability beyond the single-switch chassis. This allows you to configure your network monitoring system according to any current or future needs. In the next video, we'll look at Titan's labeling feature, which provides context and helps organize various items under Titan control.